Friends, hope you're doing well. So friends, yes, I've received my Formula X Pro DIY pack. I ordered this through the Formula X website directly. So primarily, you might be wondering why I'm using this product, right? This product has typically proven to me time and again on my other bike as well, right? So after using and installing this particular product, I could just pull out the nail and ride the bike to fix the puncture. This product is made in UK, and internationally it's known as tire protector. So it's not a new product, it's a tire protector. In India it's brought to you by Formula X. So yes, let's see what's in the pack. This is used to roll the tube and squeeze it out completely, and then there is a DIY installation manual. And since I've done it already on two of my bikes, I don't need to go through that. So this is a filler tube and a pin just in case there is a air cloggage, and this is to remove the wall pin. And it has two packets. The front tire needs about 325 ml, and the rear needs about 500 ml. Again, this is based on the size of your tires. So as you can see, this particular product, the DIY Pro pack, is useful for all these bikes, which includes bikes like Harley Davidson 883, Harley Davidson 750, and Versys 650, etc. So all those are listed out here, so hence going by the recommendation. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the valve pins and install this product, and then once it's installed, I'm going to inflate the tires, and as per procedure I need to run 10 kilometers immediately after installing this product, and that 10 kilometers I need to ride the bike at 40 kilometers per hour only. That completes the installation. And once we do the installation, I'm going to pull out the nail what's been there in the tire, which I showed you the other day. There was a nail, it's probably on the other side here. So I'm going to show you by pulling that nail out and see if Formula X works and fixes that puncture. So we're done with installing the Formula X in the tires, and I did go for the 10-kilometer ride, and all of this 10 kilometers of ride was done under 40 kilometers per hour as recommended by the Formula X DIY installation guide. So I did that and came, and now I've just circled the puncture what I had in my tire, the nail, as you can see. So now, in order to fix this particular puncture, the prescribed method is, first thing, product should be installed in the way it's recommended. We did that. And now tire should have 5 psi more than the recommended pressure. That we did. I've installed 40 psi now in this tire. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this out and then take the bike out for a short spin, come back, and then show you this same patch without the nail. Alright, for a quick spin and got back, and then I tried to put some water to see if any bubbles are coming up, but there's absolutely nothing here. So looks like Formula X has pretty much sealed the puncture from within. Alright, so that's about it, guys. So this is not a promotion of this particular product, but I just wanted to go ahead and test it on my bike and see if it works, and if you like it, maybe you can try it. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Happy to hear from you. Thank you. and please do stay safe and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.